All right, last night was great conditions for seeing the northern lights. I was actually texting with my mom and grandparents, and they're up in Corinth trying to see the northern lights, but they said it was a little cloudy.
Yeah, clouds, especially the central highlands and north. The other issue is that there are going to be more clouds coming from the south with a very small window, and the weather service just said the better activity is going to be at 4 o'clock in the morning. So that's not a great setup for us because you'd like it to be right now. Really, if you're going out right now, you have to have your phone in night vision mode, which is a default setting, and you have to kind of zoom in and you look north, you will see things, but mostly with your phone, the naked eye, you're not going to see that much right now. More clouds than sun for Mother's Day, the week that's starting decent. Rain does return, though, by the middle of the week. Be prepared for that. So, nevertheless, still, it's a level 5 storm. That'll put the K index right around 8 and severe there. This is for tonight. Okay, got that all the way going down to basically the mid-Atlantic. So what happens with the northern lights is that you get a solar storm, okay? The sun and the solar wind giving off all of that energy here. Charged protons and electrons emitted. But Earth, we have a force field up of sorts, a magnetic field. So what happens is those protons and electrons, the energy goes around the magnetic field. But the field is weak here at the north and south pole, okay? Remember, there's a lot of iron inside Earth, okay, mixing around. And at the poles, it's where that's weak. So that's where you're going to see all of that excitement, all of that energy interacting in our atmosphere, right at the poles. That's why you look for the northern lights. You look down to the South Pole. That's where you're going to see those colors tonight. But I don't think it's going to be as spectacular as it was last night, okay? Cloud cover is everything right now. There is a cloud cover fading away, but I think it fades away not in the right amount of time because there are high clouds coming in for the next storm off to our south. So temperatures already 33 Sanford. Watch out for some frost. You planted some things. Maybe you got to think about covering those things right now. Eastport's 45, 30s popping up here down east, 50 in Frenchville. Hung on to the clouds a little longer. Tonight, see the clouds are getting here by the overnight, so it's going to be a very close call. I do think there will be some patches where you can really see the northern lights, but it's not going to be as, almost statewide like it was last night. A few showers want to pop up middle of Mother's Day, but really this is just, at most for a brunch passing shower. I don't think Mom will be too upset for that. And then tomorrow there are more clouds around. The wind is generally coming in out of the south and the north. It's kind of moving around a bit. But by Monday morning, look at the sky clear here, and we see some 40s and 50s. But the onshore flow is going to continue as we get into that forecast into the next several days. So here we go for the Mariners. We're at 50 degrees. Not bad. Not bad at all. Mother's Day looks good. Showers popping up Tuesday into Wednesday. That's where you're really going to see the rain come in. So Mother's Day could be a lot worse. I don't think you need the umbrella for this, Alex. I think it's, go out with Mom, light coat, and have a nice brunch.
That sounds good. Thank you, Jason.